In this video, we are going to show you how to create a full YouTube production pipeline in Poppy AI. Now, a production pipeline is pretty much a template for a board that you're using that you can use long term, which means you're not really going to do anything aside from change or swap out all the bits and pieces, the puzzle pieces that you have. So as you can see here, this is somewhat basic. So we have a chat bot here, and we have several groups here. So these are the groups that you're going to put your resources in, your assets in. So as you can see here, this is your raw videos. So every raw video that you upload via this, as you can see here, right? You drag and drop here, so everything is organized. Every bit of music, or if you have a couple of music track, or even just one, put it here. If you're going to generate AI images, for example, as you can see here, create image in Poppy AI. You put it here, you save it here, and then if you use Poppy Chat, of course you're going to do to create your final script. Once you're done, you put it here, right? And that's pretty much your pipeline. That is how you do it. And then once you're done with that specific video, all you need to do is just clean these out by deleting every single file on each group, and then you start from scratch again using the same board, the same template. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.